Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogs. It is Sunday, October 4th, and I'm with Riley. We're going for a walk. So yeah, don't really know what I'm doing for today, since it's a nice day, but I just don't know what I'm doing. But I'll figure it out, I hope. Right? Okay. Hey guys, it's later. I'm going for a walk. Short walk, nothing really big. Because, I'm not really doing anything today. It's a nice day, but just not really doing anything. Just, walking, because later we're all going to have dinner at my grandma's, but I'm not going to vlog that, of course. But, yeah, I'm just chilling, walking. Right near the church, but, you know, it is what it is. Nothing exciting going on here. Well, just like I said, it's a beautiful day. Nice and warm, sunny. Oh, y'all, so we're here at the water. Not bad. Just relaxing. Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day, and well, today I kind of have a couple things just to run around to. I got check to deposit in some coins, so yeah, and my camera's dying, but yeah, I'm gonna get going, so let's go along for the ride. Well guys, I got almost $11 worth of cash from the coins I had, so that's so good for me. But me being forgetful, I forgot to do the check from my scholarship that I got. But luckily for me, I can just do the drive up on my way out, so I guess I'll do that now. And also, I bought this a while ago from 7-Eleven for $9, so I think I'll just return it because I don't need it. I'll get my money back, hopefully, or just get rid of it. And yeah, just kind of making returns, getting the money going. So yeah, guess I'll meet you guys when I'm done with all this. Well guys, I'm gonna end this vlog off right here. I was able to get all my money returns and everything done, so that's good. And well, I guess I'll see you guys in the next episode. Sorry the vlogs have been kind of slow lately. It's just class and I haven't really been doing much lately. So yeah. But yeah, I'll see you guys later in another vlog. Goodbye.
It's over.